Tony from Cyprus has questions about his weep holes.
Well, he's worried about the ones near his patio. Tony writes to us, my pool contractor installed flagstone over the existing concrete patio, and while doing this, they covered some of the weep holes, and some were partially covered like this, Tom. You can see where they've kind of covered on the bottom there. So Tony wants to know if he should close these up and open other weep holes, or is he okay just as is?
The only problem I really see with this is a termite problem. You aren't able to control termites when you close those holes up like that because you won't see the termites going in there. So you're going to have to keep a really good eye on your termite controls issues and maybe have a professional inspect it every year so they can get down in there with a flashlight and start looking down in there to see if they see any tunnels, right? But besides that, I'm not too worried about the water, but it's a poor detail when they start building things up. I think Hurricane Harvey taught us a few little things about floodwaters. We need to have some kind of exposure down below it so we don't get water building up against the house and it coming in. That to me could be a real problem. I'm not sure exactly how they did that, but what occurs to me with the question is they put it over the old concrete. Somebody tried to save a little money by not taking out the concrete, pouring it lower, and then doing the levels right. You've got to be careful. That's why when you get a pool builder, you want to get a good one because these are the little details that make a big difference. Like Watts Pool Company probably would not have done that. Hopefully they wouldn't have because they realize it's going to be a bigger problem down the road for somebody else. Last thing is you can't put any more weep holes in. You can't put them higher. It doesn't do any good. So now you're just going to have to really live with it. But watch your termite control.
There you go. You got a question? Send it to us. We'll answer it just like that. Send it to HomeShowRadio.com using that Ask Tom form. And we'll answer it like these videos over here. And if you click our subscribe button and click this bell, listen.
Ding!
There you go. We'll ring yours.